Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to my channel and also welcome to Mount Lemmon just outside Tucson, Arizona. Today we're going to be taking some aerial footage and images here on Mount Lemmon to try and increase our stock photography portfolio.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Capturing footage with a drone can give your vlogs an epic feel and provide you with footage to sell online. I'm taking my drone to new heights and flying high above Arizona's Mount Lemmon. The lower elevations provide you with the more traditional Southwest imagery. Here you'll find the familiar saguaro cactus and lots of summertime heat. I, however, came to Arizona's 41st highest peak for the altitude. I can photograph the desert at home anytime I want. I came here for the wilderness, the thin air, and the epic views.
Alright, you know you're in the wilderness when you have bear-proof garbage bins. So we're slowly making our way up Mount Lemmon and we're checking out places to launch the drone from. But remember, before you do, one side of this road is designated wilderness, so check air map and make sure you're not flying in the wilderness areas. That is completely off limits.
So as we continue to climb towards the 9,157-foot summit, we gradually move from the desert to the high altitude forest and the small town at the top.
Hey everybody, welcome to Summer Haven, elevation 8,200 feet.
We are making a lunchtime pit stop at the Sawmill Run restaurant. This little place has all the charm and great food that you would expect in a high mountain ski town.
That meal was worth it. Alright, we're gonna make a quick stop at the other restaurant here in Summer Haven. We're going to the Cookie Cabin.
The aromas of both great pizza and hot, fresh cookies fill the air as we approach this building.
Peanut butter. Look at the size of those cookies. Cool air. Nice warm big cookie. It's worth the drive.
Yep. This has been one of the best days here.
Dang it, it's peaceful up here. That sun is hot. Well, I can only eat half of it. Taking the rest home.
We continued to explore the top of this mountain, and we did find the ski area. Unfortunately, it was the one day a week they were closed.
That is one steep run.
Eventually, we found a launching point for the drone. Since the drone is up, we might as well capture some images as well.
So I've been hoping to find some place where I get some elevation to try out some of the quick shot features of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone and take a look at these. Yeah, no. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Now remember, whenever you're flying your drone, be careful. Make sure you're flying it legally. So always check air map. Make sure you're not in a restricted zone. Behind me is wilderness, so I can't put my drone up right now because it's a no-fly zone. Also, the Forest Service had some signage up there reminding us drone pilots that if there's a forest fire, don't fly your drone because their air assets cannot fly. Alright guys, so anyhow, this is it from Mount Lemmon. Thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, never stop exploring.